Mathematics, Grade 8, Monthly Review, Semester 3. Define trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral having exactly two parallel sides. Special trapezoid. Trapezoid plus AD height is right trapezoid. Trapezoid plus two non-parallel sides are equal isosceles trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoid. Adjacent angle of small base are equal, and same for large base. Diagonals are equal. How to prove isosceles trapezoid? It's enough to prove one of adjacent angle to one of the bases are equal, two non-parallel are equal, diagonals are equal. Mid-segment theorem. If D, midpoint of AB, and E, midpoint of BC, then DE parallel to AC and DE equal half AC. Converse of mid-segment theorem. If D, midpoint of AB, and DE parallel to AC, then E is midpoint of EC. Mid-segment theorem in a trapezoid. If E, midpoint of AD, and F, midpoint of BC, then EF parallel to DC and EF parallel to AB. So EF parallel to DC and AB, and EF equal DC plus AB over 2. Equations. How to solve equation? If the equation in form of AX equal B, then X equal B over A. It has only one solution. If the equation in the form of 0x equal B, example 0x equal 5. Does 0 equal 5? Impossible. So it has no solution. If the equation 0x equals 0 admits all the number as a solution, since 0 is equal to 0. And now, how to solve equation in form ax plus b and cx plus d equal to 0. Given the following equation, 3x minus 2x minus 2 equal 0, when a product of two factors is 0. A product of two factors is 0 when one of them is 0. Which one among these two factors is 0? Each one can be 0, so 3x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 2 equal 0. 3x minus 2 equals 0, so 3x equal to x equal 2 over 3. X minus 2 equals 0, so x equal 2. Hence, 3x minus 2, x minus 2 equals 0 has two solutions. Example, x squared minus 4 equals 0. X squared minus 4, it is not factorized 4. Factorize x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 in the form of a squared minus b squared. As we know, a squared minus b squared equal a minus b, a plus b. So x squared minus 4 square minus 4 is equal x squared minus 2 squared. X squared minus 2 squared is x minus 2, x plus 2 equals 0. Solve x minus 2, x plus 2 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. Then x equal 2. Or x plus 2 equals 0. Then x equal minus 2. Now, x minus 2 to x plus 1 minus x minus 5x plus 4. We have two terms. Factorize, take a common first. The common is x minus 5 is the common between the two terms. X minus 5 common. So 2x plus 1 minus x plus 4 equals 0. Complete. X minus 5 to x plus 1 minus x minus 4 equals 0. X minus 5 to x minus x, x. 1 minus 4 minus 3 equals 0. So x minus 5, x minus 3 is a factorized form. Every bracket equals 0. X minus 5 equals 0, so x equal 5. Or x minus 3 equals 0, then x equal 3. An equation. How to solve an equation? If the equation in form of 0x greater than 5, like 0 greater than 5, it's wrong. Then the result is impossible. No solution. Is the equation in form 0x greater than minus 3, like 0 greater than minus 3. Does 0 greater than minus 3? Yes. Then the result is always verified. Values of x are solution of this inequality. If 0x greater than 0, like 0 greater than 0, it's wrong. Then the result is impossible. No solution. If the inequality 0x greater than or equal 0, like 0 greater than or equal to 0, it's correct. Then the result is always verified. Values of x are solution of this inequality. How to represent the set of solutions on the number line? If x greater than 3, that's 3. Greater than, here the solution is here. And here greater than only, so greater than 3. 3 is not included. If x greater than or equal 3, so 3 included the solution. That's 3 greater than or equal, here dash. If x less than 3, then the solution is here. Less than only, without equal, so 3 is not included the solution. Put here dots. If x less than or equal 3, then 3 is included the solution. Less than or equal, here dash. Fractional expression. A fraction is defined when its denominator does not equal to 0. Given now the following fraction, 7x plus 2 over x minus 1. This fraction is defined for x minus 1 different than 0. So x different than 1. Now, if h of x equal 7x plus 1 x minus 2 all over 3x plus 2 x minus 5, how can we find the domain of definition of h of x? 3x plus 2 x minus 5 different than 0, since denominator different than 0. 3x plus 2 different than 0 and x minus 5 different than 0. 3x different than minus 2, so x different than minus 2 over 3. x different than 5. Now, exam review. Question 1. Calculate the following expressions. 1. Write A in simplest form. A equal 3 over 2 minus 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 5 plus 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3. First, same denominator between 2, 4 and 3, it is 12. Multiply here by 6 and here by 6, here by 3, here by 3, here by 4 and here by 4. 2 over 5 plus 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3, also multiply by 6 here, by 6, by 5, by 5, by 10, by 10 to be the same denominator. Equal 3 times 6, 18 over 12 minus 3 over 12 plus 2 times 4, 8 over 12 divided by 2 times 6, 12 over 30 plus 25 over 30 minus 10 over 30. So 18 minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 25 over 12 divided by 12 plus 25 minus 10 is equal to 27 over 30. Convert divided into times. It's equal 25 over 12 times 30 over 27 equal. Can we simplify? Yes, we can simplify here by 6 and here by 6 to give 25 over 2 times 5 over 27 equal 25 times 5, 115 over 2 times 27, 54. Number 2. Write B in scientific notation. 0.45 times 10 power 3 all 4 times 0.001 square. 0.3 times 10 power minus 4 times 100 equal 0.45. We have two numbers after decimal point, so it's equal 45 times 10 power minus 2 times 10 power 3 power 4 10 power 12 times 0.001, three number after decimal point, 10 power minus 3 all power 2. 0.3, one number after decimal point, is 3 times 10 power minus 1 times 10 power minus 4 times 100 is equal 10 power 2 equal 45 10 power minus 2 10 power 12 times 10 power minus 3 times 2 minus 6 3 times 10 power minus 1 10 power minus 4 10 power 2 equal 45 times 10 power 12 minus 2 10 10 minus 6 4 3 times minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 equal 45 divided by 3 15 times 10 power 4 10 power minus 3 move it up becomes 10 power 3 equal 15 times 10 power 7. 15 is not scientific, so it's equal 1.5 times 10 power 1, and here 10 power 7 equal 1.5 times 10 power 8. Number 3, write C in the form of m radical 2. C equal 2 radical 32 radical 128 minus 3 radical 2 plus radical 8 plus radical 50 equal 2 radical 4 square times 2. 128, it is 64 times 2, which is 8 square times 2 minus 3 radical 2. Radical 8 is 2 square times 2 plus radical 55 square times 2 equal 4 square 4 radical 2, 8 radical 2, 3 radical 2, 2 radical 2, 5 radical 2 equal 4 times 8, 4 times 2, 8 radical 2 plus 8 radical 2 minus 3 radical 2, 2 radical 2 plus 5 radical 2. 8 plus 8, 16, minus 3, 13, plus 2, 15, plus 5, 20, 20 radical 2. Question 2. Solve each of the following inequality and represent its solution in a number line. A. 3x minus 1 minus 9x less than minus 2x plus 5. So 3x minus 3 minus 9x less than minus 2x plus 5. X alone and numbers alone. 3x minus 9x minus 2x becomes here 2x less than 5 minus 3 here becomes plus 3 here. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 9 minus 4x less than 5 plus 3, 8 minus 4 here, so reverse the inequality, becomes x greater than 8 over minus 4, so x greater than minus 2. Solution on number line, minus 2 greater than, that's greater than only without equal, so here dots. B. 3x plus 3 over 2 minus 4x minus 3 over 3 greater than or equal 1 minus x minus 1 over 4. Same denominator, multiply here by 6 and here by 6, here by 4, here by 4, here by 12, here by 12, here by 3 and here by 3. So it's equal 6 into 3x plus 3 over 12 minus 4 into 4x minus 3 over 12 greater than or equal 12 over 12 minus 3 into x minus 1 over 12. Same denominator, we remove it. 6 multiplied by 3x and 6 multiplied by 3. 18x plus 18 minus 4 multiplied by 4x minus 4 multiplied by minus 3 minus 16x plus 12 greater than or equal 12 minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3x minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus 3. X alone and numbers alone. 18x minus 16x plus 3x greater than or equal 12 plus 3 plus 12 plus 18 becomes minus 12 minus 18. So 18 minus 16, 2 plus 3, 5. 5x greater than or equal 12 plus 3, 12, minus 12, 0. 3 minus 18 minus 15. Then x greater than or equal minus 15 over 5. So x greater than or equal minus 3. Represent its solution on number line. Minus 3 greater than minus 3, that is, and or equal, greater than or equal. So here line. Question 3, part A. Expand and reduce f of x. F of x equal to x minus 7 square minus 3 to x minus 1, 7 minus 2x. First, 2x minus 7 square. It is in the form of a minus b square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2x minus 7 square is equal to x square 4x square minus 2 times 2x times 7, 28x plus 7 square 49 minus 3. Now 2x multiplied by 7, 2x multiplied by minus 2x, minus 1 multiplied by 7, minus 1 multiplied by minus 2x, 2x times 7, 14x, 2x times minus 2x, minus 4x square, minus 1 times 7, minus 7, minus 1 times minus 2x, plus 2x, equal 4x square minus 28x plus 49 minus. Now 3 is multiplied by all the bracket, minus 3 times 4x minus 42x minus 3 times minus 4x square plus 12x square minus 3 times minus 7 plus 21 minus 3 times 2x minus 6x. Now what? 4x square plus 12x square 16x square minus 28x minus 42x minus 6x give minus 76x plus 49 plus 21 give 70. Now part B. Calculate f of 1. F of 1, substitute instead of x 1. Of x equal, f of 1 equals 16 times 1 square minus 76x 76 1 plus 70 equal 16. 1 square is 1 minus 76 times 1 plus 70 equal 16 minus 76 plus 70, so it's equal 10. C. Factorize f of x. 2x minus 7 square minus 3 2x minus 1, 7 minus 2x. First we have two terms. There is a common, which is 2x minus 7, but here 7 minus 2x. It's equal to x minus 7 square plus 3 2x minus 1 2x minus 7 equal 2x minus 7 common remains 2x minus 7 plus 3 2x minus 1 equal 2x minus 7 here 2x minus 7 plus 3 times 2x 6x 3 times minus 1 minus 3 equal 2x minus 7 here 2x plus 6x 8x minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. G of x equal 5x minus 3 square minus 3x plus 4 square equal, it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal a minus b, a plus b. So it's equal 5x minus 3 minus 3x plus 4. 5x minus 3 plus 3x plus 4 equal 5x minus 3 minus 3x minus 4. 5x minus 3 plus 3x plus 4 equal 5x minus 3x 2x minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. 5x 3x 8x minus 3 plus 4 plus 1. Now part D, g of x equals 0. So g of x equal 2x minus 7, 8x plus 1 equals 0. 2x minus 7 equals 0. 2x equals 7, x equals 7 over 2, or 8x plus 1 equals 0, 8x equal minus 1, x minus 1 over 8. 2i, f of x equal g of x. F of x, 2x minus 7, 8x minus 10 equal 2x minus 7, 8x plus 1. So 2x minus 7, 8x minus 10 minus 2x minus 7, 8x plus 10 equals 0. We have two terms, so the common is 2x minus 7. Common is 2x minus 7. Common from the two terms is equal 8x minus 10 minus 8x plus 1 equals 0. 2x minus 7, 8x minus 10 minus 8x minus 1. 8 minus 8, 0, minus 10 minus 1 minus 11 equals 0. So 2x minus 7 equals 0, 2x equals 7, x equals 7 over 2. E, let h of x equal g of x over f of x equal g of x 2x minus 7, 8x plus 1, 2x minus 7, 8x minus 10. First, for what value of x h of x defined? H of x is defined for 2x minus 7, 8x minus 10 different than 0, 2x minus 7 different than 0, 2x different than 7, x different than 7 over 2, and 8x minus 10 different than 0, 8x different than 10, x different than 10 over 8. So x different than 5 over 4. simplify h of x. To simplify h of x, 2x minus 7, 2x minus 7, 8x plus 1 over 8x minus 10. Now, calculate h of minus 3. Substitute x by minus 3. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 minus 10 equal 8 times minus 3 minus 24 plus 1 over 8 times minus 3 minus 24 minus 10 equal minus 23 over minus 34 equal 23 over 34. Now part 4, h of x equal 3 over 2. Simplified form of h of x is equal 8x plus 1 over 8x minus 10 equal 3 over 2. Now cross multiplication. 8x minus 10 multiplied by 3, 3 times 8x, 24x, minus 3 times 10, 30, equal 2 times 8x, 16x, plus 2. So 24x minus 16 becomes minus 16x equal 2 minus 30 becomes here 30. 24x minus 16x, 8x equal 32. So x equal 32 over 8, x equal 4. Question 4. Calculate x and y. First, in triangle ABC, M point of AB, M point of AC given. So MN equal BC over 2. Use midpoint theorem. MN is equal to x plus 3. BC is equal 18 over 2. 2x plus 3 equal 18 divided by 2, 9. 2x equal 9 minus 3. 2x equals 6. Then x equals 6 over 2, which is 3. Now, in trapezoid, A, B, C, D. M is midpoint of AB. N is midpoint of BC. So, using midpoint theorem, MN equal AB plus BC over 2. MN 4 equal AB 2y plus 1 plus 3y minus 3 over 2. 4 equal 5y minus 2 over 2. Cross multiplication. 5y minus 2 equal 8. 5y equal 8 plus 2. 5y equal 10. Y equal 10 over 5 equal 2. Question 5. Given ABCD is a parallelogram of center O. AB 6 centimeter, AD 3 centimeter. I and J are midpoints of DC and AB. BI cuts AD in K. Reproduce the figure. Number 2. Show that AJID is rhombus. AJID is rhombus. AJ equal DI equal 6/2 equals 3 centimeter. Since I midpoint of DC and J is midpoint of AB. AI parallel to DI, opposite side in parallelogram ABCD. So AJID parallelogram. We use two opposite sides, parallel and equal. But AD equal 3 centimeter and equal to AJ. So AJID is rhombus parallelogram plus 2 equal consecutive sides. Number 3. Shows that I is midpoint of KB. In triangle AKB, J midpoint of AB given. JI parallel to AD, opposite side in rhombus. AJID. So I is midpoint of KB. Converse of midpoint theorem. Number 4 shows that AD equal DK. In triangle AKB, I is midpoint of BK and DI parallel to AB since opposite sides in ABCD. ABC is a parallelogram, so D is midpoint of AK. Use converse of midpoint theorem. So we can say that AD equal DK. Number 5. What is the nature of quadrilateral DJBK? In triangle ABK, J midpoint of AB given. D is midpoint of AK proved. Then JD is parallel to BK. Use point theorem. And DK equal AD equal 3 centimeter proved in part 4 equal also JB. So we can say that GJBK isosceles trapezoid.